As for the other side of the coin, the biggest loser, well, that would be Chipotle. Analysts at Bank of America Merrill Lynch downgrading the stock and slashing their price target, and wait till you hear why. Apparently, Chipotle workers are just paid too much, according to the analyst. The bank says employee wages are weighing on the Mexican chain's bottom line. Shares of Chipotle, not a huge hit, but down nearly 3%, down nearly $10 at $317.79. All right, let's get right to the floor show. We've got traders at the New York Stock Exchange, the CME Group, and the NYMEX, as we do every day here on the 3 o'clock show. Teddy Weisberg, my good friend down at the New York Stock Exchange. You know, Teddy, do money managers these days wake up in the mornings and feel just a little nervous? They felt they've ridden this train for so long, and now they're starting to be frightened of their own shadow a little bit, worried that there's something lurking out there that none of us have thought about that's going to bring this market down.
Well, I think whatever that event is, unfortunately, as you know, they don't give us a script or a crystal ball or ring a bell. So I guess that's healthy to be nervous, you know, about where we are and how far we've come. But I think if I were a money manager and couldn't sleep at night, I'd be more worried that I missed the market, not that I have exposure to the market, because I think they have a much bigger problem. But, I mean, you pointed out that today's market, to a large degree, is all about Big Blue, IBM, and to a lesser extent, Goldman Sachs, which was actually down yesterday, but has reversed quite positively today. And what's particularly interesting, you know, I've unfortunately been here way too long, but I remember when Big Blue basically was the focal point, like Facebook and Amazon and Google are today, and the whole world revolved around IBM. And I, for one, find it quite refreshing that it's revolving around IBM again today.
It's a blast from the past today for IBM, for sure. Let's go to Ira Epstein at the CME. Ira, look, the earnings, we haven't had that many so far. We haven't gone to the bulk, but so far, pretty good. We feel like the economy is moving in the right direction. Why shouldn't the markets be moving higher?
They should be moving higher. I think I've been consistent on this show saying that. I see no reason yet for the market to stop this rally. It's just like a vacuum cleaner. It sucks in money from every source, and it just keeps moving higher. And yes, as a money manager, I would be nervous in the sense that you're not going to be able to get out at the top. It doesn't matter. There's so many safeguards on the way down, you're not going to have a 1987 again. So enjoy the run. On breaks, the market's still going to be bought because earnings look good, and we're in a quarter that traditionally does well. I don't see what's going to stop this market at this point.
Let's talk about oil. Let's go to Linn Rahbari at the NYMEX. Linn, we found out today that more has been taken out of the inventories, which to me is a good proxy for the economy, is it not? Because more people using oil means that the engines of the economy are moving along nicely. Is that the way to read it?
It used to be the way to read it, but I mean, oil it's a real dichotomy right now because there's a couple of things going on. The shale producers in the U.S., and it was a big FT article about it, shale producers in the U.S. and Canada can't continue to produce at these lower prices, right? So that would be positive for prices. But you got to remember, there's something really big out there, which was the Saudi Aramco IPO. If everyone is so positive on oil and they think that the supply is limited and people can't pump, why is this IPO constantly getting pushed back? And why isn't it doesn't look like it's going to come to market? This is the biggest oil producer in the world, probably the biggest power in oil around the globe. So oil around here, I still think it's going to go up above 55. I doubt that.
Lots to ponder, no doubt about it. Teddy, Ira, and Luke, as always, gentlemen, thank you so much.